Hello, beach lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you all the tips and tricks to make your beach holidays absolutely perfect. Today, we've got something special for you, the beach checklist for a perfect holiday. Whether you're a seasoned beach bum or a first-time visitor, this video is your ultimate guide to ensure you have the best beach vacation ever. So, let's dive right in. The essentials. First things first, let's talk about the essentials you simply cannot leave home without. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is your best friend at the beach. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays to avoid sunburn. Remember to reapply every couple of hours. Beach towel. A big, comfy beach towel is a must. It's your spot to relax, sunbathe, and dry off after a swim. Beach chair or lounger. Bringing a beach chair or lounger is a game changer. It provides extra comfort, and you won't have to worry about finding a place to sit. Food and hydration. Now, let's move on to food and hydration, because no one wants to be hungry or thirsty at the beach. Cooler with refreshments. A cooler stocked with your favorite drinks and snacks is a lifesaver. Stay hydrated and enjoy your beach day to the fullest. Reusable water bottle. Reduce plastic waste by bringing a reusable water bottle. Keep it filled with cold water to stay refreshed. Beach activities. Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the fun stuff. Beach activities. Beach games. Pack some beach games like a frisbee or beach ball for endless entertainment with friends and family. Snorkeling gear. If you're a water enthusiast, don't forget your snorkeling gear. Explore the underwater wonders right off the shore. Safety and health. Last but not least, let's prioritize safety and health. First aid kit. A small first aid kit can be a lifesaver for minor cuts, scrapes, or insect bites. Always better to be prepared. Life jacket. If you're not a strong swimmer or have kids with you, bring a life jacket for added safety. In the end. So there you have it, folks, the beach checklist for a perfect holiday. Remember, it's all about having a stress-free and enjoyable time by the sea. Pack these essentials, and you'll be well prepared for an amazing beach getaway. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beachy content. And of course, share your favorite beach tips in the comments below. Until next time, catch some waves, soak up the sun, and have a blast at the beach. Bye for now. Subscribe for more beach bliss. Follow us on social media at Beach Bliss Adventures. Stay safe and enjoy your vacation.